Jai Hind everyone. I am Anushka Tripathi and I'm the host of today's episode of Sanvad. I would warmly like to welcome our esteemed guest CA Subida Poddar, an alumni of Calcutta University and a founder of Ace Beyond You. Having been based in Germany for more than 8 years now, she helps students to find affordable top ranked universities in Europe. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you so much for having me.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Guten Tag and Jai Hind to you.
Guten Tag.
We are very excited to have you here with us.
The pleasure is equally mine.
So, ma'am, my first question to you is how did you get exposed to the opportunities and career prospects outside India? What was your experience?
So, like 8 years before, I shifted to Germany. I started working in Germany, and I gradually realized that education in Germany is absolutely free. Not only in Germany, but also in all the countries connected to Germany, like for example, Switzerland, Austria, Luxembourg. All of these countries have free education, and I was quite impressed by the fact that not only the universities are free, but also they are ranked in as per the QS World Ranking. So if you see the best universities, for example, ETH Zurich, which is ranked seventh in the world, and also Albert Einstein has studied in these universities. TUM Munich, it is ranked 22 all over the world. This is based in Munich. So these universities are completely free, and also as I said, the quality of education is quite high. So I was quite motivated by it. Secondly, what I observed that a lot of students don't apply for these universities as the awareness is not there. These universities don't pay commissions or they don't advertise much, all right, because they don't charge anything to the students. So, I just felt that there was a huge gap. A lot of students can apply to these universities, and also the acceptance ratio is quite high. For example, if a student applies to IIM, the student would have to prepare for a year of CAT exams, right? And even if you get as good as 99 percentile, the chances are very less to get a seat in IIMs. Whereas these universities having much more, higher ranking than IIMs or IITs, they have higher acceptance rate. It's only because of the lack of awareness that the students don't apply to such great universities. So, I really want to motivate students, like, try to these world universities, you'll actually be way ahead in your career.